Hi guys, it's Lita. So I have a KillStar haul for you guys. KillStar had a sale. I definitely took advantage of that because there's this hat that I've totally wanted forever since I've seen it on KillStar, and I'm like, $40, yo? Like, no. That's hella steep. I don't want to pay that much for a hat that I can only wear sometimes because I think it's wool. But I have this box of KillStar stuff. I didn't really order that much. I just honestly ordered 3 things, but I think the hat is the culprit for this box being so freaking huge. But this is the second time that I've ordered from KillStar. And I only really buy their stuff when they're having sales, and I only really shop in the clearance section because I'm cheap and they're expensive, and I understand that they do have quality shit, right? It's quality for the most part. I just never could justify spending $50 on a dress that I can only wear once in a while. I have been wearing their stuff more, and I wear this dress all the time now. I used to save it because I was I don't want to mess it up because it was expensive, but it really wasn't. This was also a on sale clearance purchase. So yeah, I feel like if you like it, you should just go ahead and get it. And now they have this Afterpay, which that is so dangerous. I am not going to try it. I just won't, because I feel like that could get out of hand really quick. Alright, so this box is open. I think the hat is the reason it's so big, and I'm so excited for this hat, you guys. I am so excited for this hat. Oh my god. We're just gonna have to put that aside because this is my dream hat, for real. When I was 10, I knew you could buy a witch's hat without the point, I would have bought it. So, very cute tag. I love their tags. I save all of them. This is adorable. It looks like a little tarot card. And this is the witch brim hat because your girl had to be extra and get the super big one because honestly the other ones didn't really appeal to me. I just didn't think they were enough. So yeah, let's I don't know if my head is gonna fit in here with the card, but let's try this bitch on. Oh my god. Oh my god, it doesn't even fit frame. I love that. My battery died, but yo, this, oh my god, this hat is so fucking cute. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, I love it so much. It's just the brim and everything. Highly satisfied with this. A lot of people complain about how big it is. I want this. This is totally wanted. This brim is wanted. Do you see how big this brim is? Oh my god, it's so fucking good. Love that. Alright, so let's stop talking about the hat. I am going to leave it on though, so get used to this because this is gonna happen on the regular. Oh my god, I just want to wear this always. I want to wear it always. Just want it sewn to my fucking head. Anyways, so I did buy a bra set from KillStar, which will be my first official lingerie set purchase from them. And oh my god, these tags, dude. Like, you know, I understand that like people hate on KillStar and stuff like that for it being expensive, and it is expensive. Honestly, like I only purchase shit when they're doing sales or like clearances and all of that. But like, my god, it's so aesthetically pleasing for like the goth people. I can't even stand it. Like, look at this tag. Like, how can you not save this? How can you not save this freaking tag? And like, your girl was a big Iron Fist supporter, and like they've just fallen on the wayside. So I bought this is like the mermaid set or whatever, Black Sea bralette. So a lot of people bought like the skirt or the dress or whatever, but like I am a big fan, oh my god, can I even do this? I'm a big fan of like the harness shit. So this was a harness bra and I wanted that, so I bought it. It was really cheap actually. I spent like $70 on all of this, and the hat was the most expensive item. So I feel like they changed their bags. Weren't their bags like straight up black? I don't know, it's been forever since I've ordered from them. Oh my gosh, there's an envelope. I didn't even notice that. See that? It's super cute. I didn't even notice. Oh my god, I love this. That sticker's really, really cute. Love that. And then it's got like my receipt. I feel like they get it. Like they know that like personal touches and shit are a seller for a lot of people. So they are doing that, and I appreciate that. So the next thing that I bought was this dress, and this was on sale also. I had no idea it was a velvet though. That is such an upgrade. So it's the, does it say what it's called? Pentagram skater dress. And I purchased all my KillStar items in a medium. So if you guys want to know about sizing, like this is a KillStar dress, this is a medium. You can't buy this anymore. It's not on their site anymore, so, but this is a happy surprise. I didn't know it was velvet, and I am loving that. I bought it, I think this is like $10 basically for this dress, and it's super cute. It's a skater style dress. It's black and white, and it's just got like, it says pentagrams, but like I would call these pentacles because I feel like the pentagram is inverted. This one is not, but whatever. We're not gonna get like weird about symbols or whatever on this channel. I think it's really, really cute. I'm really happy with this purchase, and yeah, I feel like, oh, let's did we look at the tag? We did not, because you have to look at the tag. Oh, I already have this. I have this tag already, but I do save all their tags. I think they're just very aesthetically pleasing for me, and that is it in the box. So, but honestly, like the only thing that like I really am so freaking excited about is this hat. This hat is goals. I can't wait to wear this hat out everywhere and look like a complete weirdo. That's so my thing. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below your experience with KillStar. Do you love them? Do you hate them? They've been very controversial in the goth scene, so I'd like to hear your thoughts on that. Like I said, I do buy from them. This is the second time I've bought from them, and I like them as a brand. I just can't afford to buy them when like they're new release. Like I can't like justify spending $60 on a dress. I just can't, you know what I mean? Like, and it's not that it's not well made, it's just like I personally feel like that is not a good decision for me. So Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on other social media. My links will be posted in the description box down below. Hit that notification bell so you guys know when I upload. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.